So today we are going to start the past paper. It's the final examination paper of 2017, and today first in this video we are going to cover the multiple choice questions. So the question is, in circle only one choice in each part. Cutting and overwriting is not allowed. So you have to choose the best answer and you have to encircle only one option from the four options given. So in 1, every recurring decimal represents a rational number. Okay. Roots of the equation x square minus x minus 2 is equal to. So for question number 2, we are going to just solve it. X square minus x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So let's solve this. We know how to solve it. We will multiply this 2 with this constant 1. So it's 2 times 1 is 2. And we will do the prime factorization of 2. It's 2 and 1. So we will write x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Taking x common from these two. So we will left its x square. X is common, so x minus 2. Taking 1 common, we will get with x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So it's x minus 2, x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So when we have two brackets equal to 0, we can write it separately equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X plus 1, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So the option would be x is equal to plus 2 and minus 1. That is option A. Okay. In the expansion of a plus b to the power 7, the second term is. The question is a plus b to the power 7. We will use the binomial formula, and this is the binomial formula written in front of you. The question is a plus b to the power 7. So according to the formula, it's 7c0 a to the power 7 plus 7c1 a to the power 7 minus 1 b to the and b. Here it's x, so they have written x. We have b, so we will write b. So 7c0 a to the power 7. 7c1 is 7 factorial. Because they are asking for the second term, so the second term we get is 7a to the power 6 into b. This is the second term we get. 0 is neither a positive number nor the negative number. So the answer is none of these. Question number 5. X percent of 3 by 5 is 3 by 20. So just read the question. It says x percent of 3 by 5 is 3 by 20. X percent of 3 by 5 is 3 by 20. Now we are supposed to find x. To just x percent means x by 100. Of means multiply 3 by 5. This means equals to 3 by 20. So this is a statement. X by 100, which is equal to 3 by 20. This 3 by 5 will come to this side and which will be reciprocal 5 by 3. So it's 3 cancelled. X by 100, which is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 100 by 4. So x is equal to 25. And there is no option 25, so we will mark none of these. In how many ways 5 books can be arranged on a shelf? So arranging 5 books on a shelf is very easy. It's 5 factorial, which is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is equal to 5 for the 23 to the 6, which is equal to 120. Option C is the answer. A dice is rolled. The probability of getting a prime number is. Question number 7. So when a dice is rolled, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Event is a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? 2 and 3. So n of s is equal to 6 and n of p is equal to 2. So probability of the event space is 2 by 6, 1 by 3. For question number 7, it's 1 by 3. In how many ways 5 keys can be arranged in a circular ring? So whenever it is a circular ring, we will just do it minus 1. So if it's 5, it would be 4 factorial, which is equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 into 6, which is 24. Now question number 9 is, if np2 is equal to 30, find np2 which is equal to 30. So using the formula for permutation is n factorial n minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 30. n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial over n minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 30. n minus 1, which is equal to 30. n square minus n minus 30, which is equal to 0. So factorizing 30, it's 6 and 5, 6n plus 5n minus 30, which is equal to 0. So n is going to be 6. We will take the positive value and n is going to be 6. A man receives 10% discount for cash and pays $63.45. So a man pays $63.45 and he gets a discount of 10%. So what is the 10% of this? It's 1 by 10. It's 63.45 divided by 10. So points will come over here. 6.345. So he gets a discount of $6.345. There is no option stating 6.345, so answer is none of these. Derivative of 2x3 by 2 minus 7. So the question is d of dx 2x3 by 2 minus 7. So write derivative separately. Okay. Now this is 2 is a constant, so 2 will come outside and we will use the derivative for x3 by 2. So x3 by 2 plus minus 1. We will use derivative for x3 by 2 minus derivative of a constant is 0. So 2, this 3 by 2 will become the power x 3 by 2 minus 1. 2, 3 by 2 x. What is 3 by 2 minus 1? 1 by 2. So it's going to be 2 cancel 3 x 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 square root x. The solution of integral x to the power minus 2 dx. Integral x to the power minus 2 dx, which is equal to integral sign is going to be x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c x minus 1 minus 1 plus c minus 1 over x, because x is x inverse in the numerator, so it will become x positive 1 minus 1 over x plus c. So this is, we have completed the multiple choice questions for elementary maths paper, and this was the past paper of 2017.